All right, let's get over to weather, see what those showers are doing out there and storms.
Yes, this morning we're tracking some thunderstorms on our CBS 19 live radar. Kind of an active day so far as we look at our northwestern counties here. Some of it is actually moving into some of our western counties. We got Canton and even the Athens area getting in on some thunderstorms this morning. Got some severe thunderstorm warnings out to the west, basically along I-45 and all the way out to the I-35 corridor. Luckily, I think most of the energy is out to the west, so as it makes its way into East Texas, it will start to weaken just a little bit. I think some of us, especially in our western counties, will get in on some heavier thunderstorms, but it will start to weaken as it continues to move further to the south because of that energy being further to the west. Now, timing out the next several hours across East Texas here, most of us will be staying dry to partly cloudy, 78 by 9, 83 by 11, and then as we head into the noon and the lunchtime hours, we'll be in the middle to upper 80s, and as we continue to wear on into this afternoon, we'll have highs near 90 to 91. Again, staying pretty dry all the way through. Can't rule out maybe an isolated pop-up shower during the afternoon, but again, most of us staying dry and partly cloudy as we continue on through this afternoon. Now we're continuing to track a ridge of high pressure off to our west. That's going to keep us very dry as we continue on through this week. Now, besides those thunderstorms this morning, we're going to be pretty dry as we continue on this week thanks to that ridge of high pressure once again. Now here's what future Skycast looks like. Again, we're tracking those thunderstorms off to our north and western parts of the viewing area. But again, as it continues to move to the south, we will start to see it weaken quite a bit. And most of the energy, again, will focus off to the west. So most of the heaviest rain is going to be falling off further to the west alongside some gusty winds as well. But overall, I think most of us will be getting in on some thunderstorms that will be having maybe some light to moderate rainfall as we continue to wear on into the rest of this morning. And that'll be mainly our western counties. But as a whole here, not going to be dealing with any rain this afternoon, besides maybe a couple of pop-up thunderstorms that will be in and out pretty quickly. Now, overall here, for the next few days here, it's going to be really, really nice to enjoy the pool. 94 for tomorrow, 96 by Wednesday, and then up to 97 as we continue into Thursday and even into the rest of the week. We'll have mostly sunny skies overhead. It's going to be a really nice forecast going forward here. Now for tonight, we will be bottoming out on the cooler side, upper 60s potentially for some of us, low 70s for others. Definitely a cooler night ahead, and we'll have mostly clear skies overhead as well. Your 7-day forecast shows 91 degrees as we head into this afternoon. Again, most of us staying partly cloudy and dry, but I can't rule out maybe a couple of isolated pop-up thunderstorms for this afternoon across East Texas. And we move into a mostly sunny sky pattern as we continue on through the rest of this week. We're at 94 for Tuesday, 96 for Wednesday, and then we're at about 97 as we continue on through the rest of this week, staying mostly sunny. And then for the next week, we are looking potentially at some above average temperatures that could reach the upper 90s, maybe triple digits once again. We're going to continue to watch that. But as of this week, still remaining on the hot side and dry side with temperatures around average.